Hi Global Wheelers, thanks for watching. Today's video is about how to take one of these onto one of these using one of these. Okay, this is a cocoon bag to take the bike on the train. Okay, you'll need it if you walk through the train station with a bike. The station master, staff at the station will say "Dame," which is Japanese for no way. So you're going to need one of these basically to get on the train. So it doesn't have to be Tioga. There are plenty of other brands out there. We use the Tioga 29ers because they're a bit bigger. So there's plenty of room in the bag for the bike. So, okay, this video is about how to put the bike in it. So if you're not planning to cycle Japan or not planning to use one of these, check out our other videos for more insight into cycling in Japan. Okay, watch on. Thank you.
Firstly, you want to find a nice quiet location in which to work. Remove the lights and the bottles, and then loosen the quick release and the brake before removing the wheel. Place the bike down carefully and tighten the quick release up to avoid losing parts. Position the wheel on the pedal. Tie the wheel to the bike frame in 3 or 4 locations. Don't over tighten because you want to make sure that you can get them off easily after. And then attach the short shoulder strap to the stem. And then attach the longer one to the saddle or top tube. Turn the handlebars to streamline the bike before placing the bike in the bag. With the hole at the top and the round end of the rear, start placing the bag over the bike. You'll want to stand it up on the back wheel, so put your foot behind it to stop it rolling away. Gently let the bag drop over the bike, removing any snags along the way. Put the bike down gently and locate the zip at the bottom. Once you've located the zip at the bottom, zip up from the bottom upwards carefully, avoiding snags. If it does snag, stop and loosen off the zip and find out where the issue is. You then want to locate your shoulder straps and connect them. Just check the floor that you haven't dropped anything. Check the straps, take the weight and place on your shoulder. You're good to go. At the station, use the wider ticket gates. Have a good trip.
So when you arrive at your destination, you'll need to put the bike back together. Please check the wheel direction. This is often indicated on the tyre wall. Loosen the quick release that you tightened earlier and position the forks onto the wheel. Align and tighten.
Remember to close the caliper on the brake and just check for rubbing. Give the wheel a quick spin. Take a little test ride and adjust if necessary.
How was that, guys? Pretty simple, not too difficult. A couple of things to point out though is I always leave my seat out of the saddlebag for extra support. The actual policy for many train companies is that it should be covered. I've had no issue with that to date, so I've done it that way purely because that's the way I carry it. But you may be requested to put the bike in. You may get a dame, in fact. So yeah, please bear that in mind. A little bit more information is also on our website, so I'll leave a link in the description below. We've written a blog about taking the bike on the train and the process. So yeah, please read that as well if you're planning to take a bike on the train. Okay. Thank you very much. Comments, questions below. We'll be happy to help. Okay. Enjoy your planning and hope to see you in Japan soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.